So what's up, guys? So I picked up a bigger, more beefier tripod than the one I've been using to make my videos, and the mount bracket is actually larger on this one than on the one I'm using. For those of you who don't know the way these work, there's basically a beveled piece that fits down inside here that stays mounted on your camera. It just bolts up into the camera with a 1/4-20 bolt. I picked this one up secondhand at an antique store for way less than what it was worth, but it did not have this bracket, so today we are going to make one. Alright, so it's a little tight, perfect though, because I can sand this down to fit. I don't want to take this any narrower than what my mark is, because what that will do will raise this up even higher, and so these angles will get too tight and I won't be able to lock it down as easy. So I want to leave the line, basically. So if I leave the line, then it'll fit just the way I want it to, and the plate that I put on top of it won't interfere with the top of the swivel head mount bracket thingy. Alright guys, so we are back in the old camera. This is the new one that I've been using for the last several videos. And there's a 1/4-20 hole. This will mount just like this. This little lever right there lets this pop right out. Easy peasy. And then this just lives on here, but this camera is much larger than the one I've been using. So the bigger tripod's going to work out a lot better, I think, because it was kind of over heavy for the one I've got, the one I've been using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.